Un bébé en soude. Un bébé en soude. Bon, je traduis pour maman. Je traduis pour maman. Maman, pas comprendre. Maman, she's going to school but never
learn. He'll never learn.
never learn.
He's taking the job and all.
Oh, you wanna speak?
Chill out. Chill out till the day I come back home. You don't give a shit about that thing for that. Yeah.
Guys,
What you want to teach her now? To do what?
a palabra, open it.
To say good morning and good evening.
Say good morning, good evening.
Good morning. Bonjour.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You see, she. Ici, c'est un gamin, moi, parler. Ça me dit le beau moment?
Je ne dans l'école, on dirait que nous faisons parler.
Ça veut-
À l'enfant.
Nous faisons pas l'anglais, maman?
Oui.
Nous dans des hommes, c'est des problèmes. Je vais dire ça, non, je vais parole, pas moi-même. Parce que vous comment ça me dit là? He said, she said, she speaks good English. Yeah, she said she speaks good English. She understands everything you say.
What's that?
Yeah, she understands you.
Really?
Yeah.
Surprise me.
Você fuma? Passou quando é que não está falando dela?
Really? Come on, me more often.
Oh my God, you understand what I say? Who gets this also? Say, who gets this also?
Who gets this also?
Yeah, yeah. You who gets this also?
Who gets this also?
Yeah, yeah.
I know Zozo is
Hey, what is it? What that mean?
mine.
Oh my God.
Você nem vou saúde, alguém te deu.
Yeah. No tá aí. Way. You know what that means is also, right?
That's all they teach me about it.
Oh my God, man.
So I started to sing to this Asian girl.
Ah.
So when the Asian guy told me the Coco and Zozo.
Oh!
So this Asian girl I like. But she didn't want to give me no days. And I started to sing. Say, I want to put my Zozo in the go-go.
Say no mad.
Oh, you're speaking Creole?
Good girl.
Yeah, I thought you say you're mad.
No, no mad. Vous en.
Oh,